Right, this is the first of Adrian Weber's padlocks. It's a BURG. It's a number 116/50, made in Germany. It's a 5-pin lock. There's a bidding on the key. If it would focus. Focus your rat. Oh, it doesn't want to focus, sure doesn't. There it is. There's a bidding on the key, not too scary. It works great. It's just a shackle protector. Stop anybody cutting, or to help stop anybody cutting. So it is locked there. We'll try and pick it. Oh, I've picked this before, obviously. I picked it before the video, but just to see if I could. So ours is in a false. There we go. Job done. Not too hard. I think maybe there's one or maybe two wee security pins in it, but I could be wrong because that bin, I don't know. I think there's maybe one or two. Don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, see you later.